Hello and welcome to DIY EV Mods. On this episode we're going to be finishing up this bumper project by installing these reflectors. They're in a box right on here. I tried to use a local dealership to purchase these because I went online. I tried to find some aftermarket ones, but all I could find were ones that listed for ST and all the regular Ford Focuses. But unfortunately, the ones for those are the Ford Focus and the STs. They have different size reflectors. You go online, and even though they list for the ST on the aftermarket ones, they don't work because they're too big. So these are going to be really simple to install. You can see that there's holes, square holes in there, and these tabs just go in there. So that'll just slide in place and click in place. Just like that. So unfortunately I wasn't able to get aftermarket ones. There was these really cool ones that I liked that had lights that would turn on, so they'd be more than just a reflector. It'd actually be like a parking light, and then it also had a built-in turn signal. I really wanted to get them, but I couldn't because, like I said, the regular Focus and the STs are different sizes. So I went to my local dealership. I tried to get these from there. They wanted $90 a piece for them, so I started looking online, and I found a place called OEM Ford Parts, and they were only $30 on there. And as you can see, these are Ford items. I mean, I don't know why the dealership is charging so much more for them when you can buy them online for a third of the cost. So even with the $8 of shipping I paid for these versus getting it at a local dealership, I still saved a significant amount of money. So like I said, I mean, you just line up the holes. And you just pop it in. And there you go. So that completes this bumper project. Well, I guess it doesn't really. I do still need to figure out what I'm going to do about the braces. And I think what I'm going to do is use some PVC with some washers. But when I do that project, I'll show you how I end up doing that. But that's kind of the route I'm thinking I'm going to go. If you like this video, please press the like and subscribe button. Hit the bell so you get notified when I release a new video. And as always, thanks for watching.